Welcome to ZeroThreat. Let's take a look at how to add users to your organization. Go to the organization settings from Dashboard. Click on Add User and fill the name and email of the user you wish to add. Next, assign an appropriate role for the user based on their responsibilities. Choose from owner, administrator, contributor, or reader. For details, click on the question mark to see the detailed permission matrix for each role. Lastly, click on Save to add the user. In conclusion, organization and user management keeps everything organized and ensures efficient vulnerability management.